Hi everybody, it's Wanda. So I like that painting that I did that was the ring pour that had the all metallics with that really pretty blue in it so much that I decided to do a 12 by 12 that is a gallery wrap. That will take 5 ounces, not counting the sides. So I need probably about 7. Hope I have enough. I did decide that I wanted more black. I want more blue. So I'm gonna have to use all of this. I still have a little bit of silver, a little more of the purple, quite a bit of the gold. Apparently I didn't use much of that. That might be why it didn't come through so much. And quite a bit of this. It's almost like it just is about that far. And then I still have, like this much of this. The colors are metallics. Some of them I mixed. The first one is Pthalo turquoise that has white added to it, silver added to it, and a pearl pouring medium added to it, or a pearl medium added to it. It's Sargent's brand. I got it at Dick Blick. This is just silver. This is silver with dioxyazine purple added to it. This one is Artist Loft Gold with yellow added to it. And this is black with silver added to it. And these are some that I mixed up over time. They're all probably mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol with water to thin. And I use distilled water most of the time. Every now and then I'll use purified water, but most of the time I use distilled water. So those are the colors. Hopefully I have enough paint. I have checked all my consistencies. I put the lid on them last night when I finished that painting. So they should be good to go. And I'm just going to start layering. And I'm going to do it in the order that I did last night, but not quite as much blue to start out, because I want to put some of that in the middle too. But I'm just going to do it like I did last night and hope that I have enough paint. Have more purple because I have more purple. I'm gonna have to use this gold. Hopefully it won't take over. And quite a bit of black. Should have added some of that black between those colors. Didn't think of it. So I may do that on the next round. Just gonna use up that blue. I think I'm gonna have plenty of paint. That's good. I like having extra. Not gonna go over on board on that. Whew, this is a lot of paint. I'm gonna have to start out with just a straight pour. I think I got some lumps in that black. Whew, not too bad. Oh, I left my tweezers over across the basement. So, I'm gonna use this. See if I can do that. Okay, here we go. I love that black. Since I have some of that left, I'm going to do this. Try to stretch some of that out some. Uh-oh, shoot, I'm going off the edge. Do not like going off the edge before I'm ready. I love this purple. That's gonna be hard to fix. I can fix this corner. That corner looks pretty good. Okay, let's see what we have here. I like all of it except for this right here. Take just a little bit off that corner, that edge right there. And I think I'm done. Hope there's not too much left on there. It's really a lot dripping. I hope that you all don't get upset by this, but there's something that there's somebody I want to promote that is not on Facebook. I mean, not on Facebook. She's not on Facebook. She's not on YouTube. She is a co-worker of mine and an incredibly talented lady. And she does the most wonderful custom switch plates. And she will take custom orders. And she does them by putting clay over the top of the switch plate. And I've had her, well, she gifted me, was kind enough to gift me some when I moved in this house for my bedroom as a housewarming gift. But she does them in all different styles and colors, and she uses a lot of pearl and metallic colors on them, and they are gorgeous. So I want to show you one of the ones that she did for me, and I want to put in the description box her Etsy store so that if you're interested, you can go in and look at her artwork. This may not show up on camera. I may have to do a close-up, but she makes it with polymer clay, and she stamps the clay, and then she paints it. And I picked out this scroll pattern because that's just me. I'm kind of antique-y, and I love fleur-de-lis and scrolling and stuff like that, so that's the pattern that I picked out. But she'll do it. She has a lot of different ways of doing them, and she'll do them custom for you if you're interested. And her prices are very fair, and she's incredibly talented. And she's a really good friend of mine, very, very, very good friend of mine and co-worker. So I just wanted to promote her, and I hope that that's okay and nobody gets upset about it, because she's not on YouTube. If she were on YouTube, then I would say I want to paint it forward, but I can't do that because she's not on YouTube. So I am going to keep patching up this corner. This paint's still thin enough that that's trying to come through. The white canvas is trying to come through in some places. So I will take the camera down and let you all see this up close. I like it. I think it turned out good. I'm glad I added the extra black. I wish I'd had more of the purple come through, but there's still a lot of the purple showing in here, even though it may not look so much like it right now. I hope it'll show up more when it's dry, and there's a really good streak of it right in there. So it turned out pretty. I like it. I think it's gorgeous. So I'll take the camera down and show it to you. Thanks for watching. So this is how it looks from my point of view, and you can see that the purple did come through. And I think if I had put it right next to the blue, it probably would have shown up better. But it had silver up next to the blue and then the purple. But at least the gold didn't come through too yellow, which is what I was worried about. I mean, it's coming through just a little bit right in there, but it's not overwhelming, so that's cool. And then, of course, I added more black, and that's what I started out with. And so I get more of it up here in this edge, which is fine with me. I like that too. I think the center of it turned out okay. It's not perfect. Mine never are. But I think this one is pretty. I like the colors. I like the way the swirls and the lines show up. So I consider this a success. So let me know what you think. Thanks for joining me. I invite you to come back. Welcome all of my new subscribers. I invite you to come back, spend some time with me. I hope you enjoy what I'm doing. And it's usually I do a couple together just because I have paint. So I do a couple that are very similar and then switch off onto something else. So please hang in there with me. Thanks for watching.